Okay, here we are in Greenfield Village, just directly north. We're looking south because we're directly north. And through those trees there is the backside of International House of Prayer University, IHOP-U. I'm going to walk down here to the street. I'm not going to walk up that way. We're going to do a walk around the street here, and we're going to see whether this gimbal is worth the effort. I'd like to add some, what do you call this, some handle, but also I'd like to rig up a harness so that I can don't have to hold this gimbal for long periods of time, for short periods of time. A handle, even without a handle, it isn't really that annoying. I just wanted to shoot a short video or a series of short videos, and then upload them and work with them. That would be fine. But for this one, although I don't have the handle right now, a strap or harness right now, it would make this walk maybe a little less of a pain. I mean, I've only just started, so I don't know how long it's going to take me to walk all the way around and back down in the Greenfield Village. But it would be nice if I was carrying if I had, still going to get some wobble, I guess. This here is the backside of the hotel. Over here, this is the backside of the hotel. That's a bank. I guess the Commerce Bank. And those trees up there, those junipers, they are on the north side of the IHOP-U property. This is where we're walking today. I'm going to go on a scooter ride later today. And thanks. Boy, I'm really impressed. And why do you go on a scooter ride? Yeah, because I can. Like I say, if I have to explain to you why I ride a scooter or a motorcycle, if you need an explanation, you wouldn't understand. And if you ride a scooter or a motorcycle, no explanation necessary. You just do it because you can. Now, it's actually kind of an interesting gate there. I don't like the... Oh, great. Okay, that's kind of curious. We're gonna walk down the side. Yeah, we're gonna walk down the sidewalk. See this here? See? This is Greenfield Village here. That's what all of this is over here. Now, sorry for the sun angle. That is the, I guess you'd call it the service entrance, the work entrance of the backside of the the IHOP All Nations Prayer Room, and that over there is Salvation Army's booth residence. Well, we're not going to walk all the way around Greenfield Village. We're just going to walk back into the backside here, in through some of the parking areas, garages, sheltered parking areas, and see, back over there is right where we started. That's where we're going to end up, is right back there where I started. We're going to see. About to get run over. Although it's not really fatiguing. It's just annoying not having to hold my arm at this weird angle, carrying the phone with the gimbal. But I'm going to find out whether this was a good idea or a bad idea. I'm going to post it maybe on Facebook, but definitely on my YouTube channel, Scoot Bike Walk Kansas City. That's the title of the channel. I mean, I've got some scooter rides on there. I've got a couple of bike rides. Well, it says Scoot Bike Walk, and that was my intention, to do walks as well. So this is going to be it's not the maiden voyage of the gimbal. I did a short one just to see how satisfied I am with the gimbal, and it worked okay. So we're going to use this one, but this one will be posted. This one will be made on the YouTube channel, and hopefully this will be the first of many walks. I'll probably use my other, because this is I'm doing this on my smartphone right now. But I've also got a Drift Innovation Ghost XL action camera, and I've got a mount rigged up on the bill of one of my caps, and I'm gonna do some videos, walking videos with that. That's why I got that on the bill of the cap, was for walking videos, because I've got a handlebar mount for my bicycle, a helmet mount for so when I go on my scooter, and this gimbal, but also the cap mount for my cap for when I go for a walk. So we're gonna see just how good, whether or not this is worthy of continuing to use or not. We'll find out.